Hello Nevada, how's everybody doing? All right, so today we're gonna talk about solar panel. All right, so for all the homeowners here in Shining City, if you're looking to get solar, I recommend, are you ready? Sunrun. Yes sir. Sunrun is the biggest solar panel company here in Las Vegas area. So they have amazing customer service and amazing team. So if you're looking who's the best, who shall I go with? Definitely check out Sunrun. Yeah, it's a huge. They might be, I think, the nation's biggest. Yeah, they've been covering the roofs of Clark County area for quite a while now. So they have different systems you can choose from. So yeah, it will definitely cut down your bills by 40%. Even up to 50% once you have the system. And if you decide to go with the Tesla battery, they have an option where you can also purchase Tesla battery. Oh my goodness, that system is unbelievable. I mean, that system is super powerful. Of course, it costs money for that battery. That's, I think it's about what, $10,000. But yeah, you can back up a lot of stuff. The technician was telling me, but there's many other also different companies that compete with this kind of battery. But Tesla is the best quality, and when it comes to power, nobody could beat the Tesla one. But if you can afford it, yeah, I mean, in Las Vegas area, the utilities are just going through the roof. Gas is just going through the roof. I mean, I just paid just like February, like $330 gas. I'm not talking about like gasoline, just gas, home gas. So they're also saying they're gonna raise up the electricity. So I mean, we never seen such a thing. It's just everything is just going expensive. So if you are a homeowner, definitely you can save a lot if you have solar. That's another option. So yeah, if you're looking for a good company with extremely professional and dedicated installers and also maintenance after the installation, definitely I approve 100% Sunrun. All right guys, take care. Ciao.